Hello friends, this is Node Chat Application Tutorial Series with MongoDB database. And under this part, we will convert simple chat application to real-time chat application. That means chat message will be displayed without refresh of web page, and then after, in next part, we will show you how to display user login or logout status under this chat application. In previous part, we have already learned how to fetch chat message data from MongoDB database and display on web page. Now we want to make real-time chat application, so for this, we have goes to chat.html file. And here, we have defined one interval variable, and under this variable, we will store number of interval returned by setInterval function. So, we have goes into start chat function, and under this function, here we have to write interval variable is equal to setInterval function. And under this function, we have call this fetch chat data function with receiver user ID variable as argument. And under interval, we have to write 5000, so it will called this fetch chat data function on every 5 seconds. So on every 5 seconds, it will called fetch chat data function, and it will refresh chat message data every 5 seconds. So when we have start chat with any user, then after it will called this fetch chat data function at every 5 seconds. After this, we want to clear the value of this interval variable, so for this, we have goes to reset chat area function. And here, this function will be called when we have closed chat area. And under this function, we have to write clearInterval function with interval variable as argument, so this function will clear this variable value. Next we want to clear the value of this last chat date time function, so here, we have to write last chat date time variable is equal to blank value, so it will clear this variable value. Now we want to call this function when we have start chat with any other user, so we have goes into start chat function. And here, we have to call reset chat area function, so when we have start chat with any user, then first it will call this reset chat area function. And this function will clear interval variable value and last chat date time variable value. So friends, here on web page, we have already logged with two user in different browser. Now in first user, we have click on this other user start chat button. And same way, in other browser, we have click on first user start chat user button. So here, both user is start chat with each other. Now in one user, we have start type chat message under this text area field. And after this, we have click on send chat button, and after click on this button, here we can see that chat message has been sent, which appear under this chat history area. Now in other user area, here we can see that chat message has been appear without refresh of web page. Same way in second user, we have start type chat message. And after this, we have click on send button, so after click on send button, here, we can see that chat message has been sent, which appear under chat history area. So here, in first user chat area, we can see that chat message has been appear without refresh of web page. This is because it is real-time chat application. So here, in this part, we have convert simple chat application into real-time chat application. In next part, we will show you how to display user online/offline status under this Node chat application, so we will be meet in next part.